How to enable or disable roaming assistance in the phone app on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the phone application. Next, tap on the More button. Then we go down and tap on Settings. From here, we then scroll down to the bottom. Then tap on Other Call Settings. Next, tap on Roaming Assistance. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on roaming assistance. Now tap on the left hand side panel, and in here you can customize the settings. So here, automatically add country or region code when calling contacts you have called before. Or you can choose always add code of country or region you are located in. And then you can also choose ask for each call. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. So here, if I choose a contact and dial, it will automatically add in the region or the country code. So here, you can add in the country code like that. Okay. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video.